Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For Pitchfork Tool Trading, our website is www.dayprotraders.com. Our main website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Today is the 16th of October 2013, and the time in London is 34 minutes past 12 p.m. In New York, 34 minutes past 7 a.m. The title of this video is Live Day Trading using a Pitchfork tool. Live Day Trading, alright, using the Pitchfork tools. The Pitchfork tool allows traders to identify trading setup. The Pitchfork tool allows traders also to highlight hidden support and resistance levels. One can use this tool on any time frame, from the 50-minute chart, hourly chart, weekly chart, daily chart. Alright, I'm on a daily chart for the Euro USD using the Pitchfork tool. Alright, this is what we are doing now. Okay, it's very simple. There's nothing magic about it, but, ladies and gentlemen, it is also powerful. If we want to sell, alright, we must look for a valid resistance level. We want to sell around resistance level, and we want to buy around support level. If we sell and the price going down, we will secure again as the price approaching the next support level. As a day trader, ladies and gentlemen, we are actively managing the trade. We are also paying attention, okay, to the economy news. Alright, this is very, very important. Alright, because the economy news and the fundamentals can change the dynamics of the markets. We are active. If you are a day trader, you are active. You are an active day trader. You are not a passive day trader, because sometimes traders are day trading and they do not make decisions. Sometimes you have to close some trade because some important economy news are due. Alright, you just need to close them and manage the trade, or control the risk. As I explained to traders before, alright, three things are important. Alright, the first is the mind game, the second is the viable trading system, and the third is the money management. The money management, a lot of traders get into trouble with the money management. In fact, myself, when I was a new trader, whenever I go to YouTube, I hear somebody talking about money management, I close the video straight away. I was not interested at all. Also, I was not paying attention to the economy news. Alright? So this is it. Live day trading using the Pitchfork tool. We are looking at the Euro USD. We are on the daily chart. I'm going to go to the hourly chart and we're going to start a trading. Okay, so hourly chart, what's happening here? Okay, now, okay, going to remove my lines, okay, and I'm going to use my Pitchfork tool on this hourly chart, okay, to determine some hidden support and resistance level. Very simple. If you want to know more about Pitchfork tool trading, you need to go to our website www.dayprotraders.com. That's it. Joining this pivot line with this point, 3 points we need to use our Pitchfork tool. See this point, okay, we can highlight it now. First point, Okay, second point. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll refer traders back to dayprotrader.com where they can watch videos. I love videos myself, so I'm going to put it at this, okay, because I want to discount the tail of this candle, so I'm going to concentrate on, hold on a second, put it like this, okay, roughly like that. So this point, that's my first point, the media line of my pitchfork tool, yeah, second point, and the third point. That's it, that's all you need, 3 points to join the pitchfork tool. A pivot point, and then the price is like this, and then that's it. As I show you now, you can go to Day Pro Traders to master it. So the price retesting the pitchfork tool is a resistance level here. When the price at the lower part of the pitchfork tool, below the media line, it's a bullish zone to a certain degree, all right, but we don't want to close our eyes to the price itself, the number one indicator. We can draw trend lines, we can draw channels, we can draw simple trend lines, all right. I can draw another trend line like this, okay. So do not use one trading tool and then ignore everything else. So there is a trend line here, the blue line here, you see. So this one is a resistance point. So the prime may, if they can push it and say, we prefer this one, they may prefer this one, okay. But I want to sell now. Okay, hold on a second. As I'm trying to place a trade down. Okay, because I'm bearish toward the euro. As you can see, I'm trading like an aggressive trader. I didn't wait for a common sense trend line to be broken. This is my own decision. Traders are doing it all the time. And if you are doing something like this, okay, take charge of it, okay? Take charge of it. But there are other things that there are other reasons why I'm selling now. But to avoid that the video is too long, I don't want to go there, okay? Moment please, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still here. I'm talking so you know that I'm here. Trying to place a trade. 1 second please. Won't be too long. The weather in London is not very, very good today. Dark, though it's a daytime. Now the light is still on because the cloud came in today. But in the southwest part of London, England, so to speak, not London alone, southwest part of England, the weather is beautiful there, but the cloud came to London today. And things like this, I don't like it myself. I don't like it. I like to see, even if it's cold, I would like to see a beautiful weather. But this video is not about weather. We are talking about live day trading. Okay, using the pitchfork tool, and I want to sell the euro. And in this scenario, I want to use. I'm here though, so I'm speaking. I'm doing something here with. Okay, hold on a second, please. Okay, place a trade. Great. All right. So let's go back again. Now, 1 second, please. 1 second. All right. Okay. My entry point. So the euro at 135.57. Going to put a line there. 135.17. Okay, that's where it is now. Okay. Okay, 135. So call it 135.17. Okay, that's the line there. Okay, I'll color it into orange. Okay, that's my entry point. Selling the euro at 135. Okay, 57, and I'm going to my stop loss is at one. Where am I? $135.79. Okay, 135.79. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. This stop loss, I'm not going to move it. If they take me out, I may move it, but I'm not interested to move it, to be honest. If I'm day trading, sometimes I move my stop loss. Okay, that's the truth. I do sometimes. Okay, and I successfully do. Okay, so 135.57, 135.79. That's my stop loss. I'll try to bring it exactly. I can do it, but I want to do it manually. That's it. So that's my stop loss, the red horizontal line. I'll remove the blue line. So that's it. I'm in this trade now using the pitchfork tool. So with this point, and this point, and this point, all right. Higher the price is testing the media line here. It's not because the price is testing the media line that I just sell. As I explained to you, there are other reasons why I'm bearish. All right. So this is it. So we're using the pitchfork tool. We can see that we can determine hidden support and resistance level. All right. As I'll show you now, as I was showing you at the beginning of this video, we can go to the weekly chart, and I can do exactly the same thing on the weekly chart. Okay. The pitchfork tool is a powerful tool, as I explained to traders. 3 things we need. Okay. Okay, to make a valid trade, all right? The setup is the number 1. And the pitchfork tool allow us, okay, to identify beautiful setups, okay? So we can just play it with it. 3 points we need to draw our pitchfork tool. So you see this point, and this point, all right? Can do like this, all right? It's your chart. Play with it. Do not be afraid of the chart, okay? Alright, do not look down. Though the stochastic is here, I'm not paying attention to the stochastic now. Okay, you can choose this point, that's the first point. I can go like this on the weekly chart just to see whether there is a beautiful setup or not. Because professional and hedge funds are using this tool every day. And as a day trader, we can use it also on any time frame. The best method is to start from a higher time frame to see a setup. You see now on the weekly chart, pay attention carefully. Okay, 1 second, please. You see how the price went below, okay, the lower part of the pitchfork tool, came back, retested here, and now we again hanging at the bottom of it. This is a resistance level because the price did below the lower part of the pitchfork tool, retested here, boom, retested here, and they are fighting it here. Also, we can pay attention to the horizontal line, okay? We can do this even on the yearly chart. Are you afraid? Do not be afraid at all. You can do it on any time frame, okay? I don't have enough data here on the yearly chart. We can do it on a quarterly chart to determine beautiful setup. You get a picture now? So if you want to know more, you can go to www.dayprotraders.com. All right. Okay, so this is my setup for the euro on the hourly chart. So from the hourly chart, I found a kind of setup. We go to the weekly chart. As I show you now, it's also retesting the lower part of the pitchfork tool. Moment, please check my time. Okay, been talking now 30 minutes. Okay. At one point, as always when we are doing a live trading, we will pause the video because otherwise the video will be too long, 2 hours, 3 hours, pointless. So we have to pause the video. Let's go back now to the 3-minute chart. Okay, so I know what's happening and what I'm trying to do, and my stop loss is there. My entry 135.57, stop loss at 135.79. Not too bad for day trading. Okay, that's it. It's set now. Okay, as we are doing this video, because I know how a lot of traders are trading. We see sometimes traders will go by TSTW34. And they think that, okay, once you have a trading system, that's the end of it, and the trading system will trade for you. The trading system does not trade for traders. Traders use a trading system to make a decision. The trader is responsible for the decision. Now, it's important that the trader understand how to use the system first. But if you don't understand how to use the system, you're not going to get much out of it, okay? It's like you buy, for instance, okay, Galaxy Note, and you didn't read the manual, and all you do is to receive calls and read emails. You don't know about other functions about it. That's why we have a specific website for each system. But it's down to the trader to make their own move and also to contact us, especially if you are a new trader. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm talking a bit too much now. Okay. Okay, because you are my friend, I can talk like this. Okay. So we're going to go to Google now, and we're going to go to Forex Factory. You see? And now we want to go into the mind of other traders, checking the economy news. Okay, as always, I go there, and here it is. Okay, Forex Factory, and beautiful website. And we want to see what's happening today, the economy news. You know now that tomorrow is the last day for raising the debt ceiling in the United States, and this discussion is affecting the market, and the market's 1 minute up, down. It's affecting the USD yen, the Euro USD, the stocks, and this discussion is going on. So this is the mind game now, the mind game. What's going through the mind of traders, what they will try to do, all right, to protect their portfolio adjustment, all these things going on. So today is the 16th, as you can see, Wednesday, the 16th of October. And there was some important news today, this one, ZEW, economy expectation. Right? Very important economy news. You can click on the envelope if you want to know more. Open for details right here. All right. And some data regarding CPI in Europe, trade balance in Europe. Here it is. Okay. The forecast 12.4 billion. Actual figure 12.3. But the discussion in the United States is the main issue now, because if the United States default on their debts, that will be a bit messy. All right. So this is where the pressure is. So we are watching that, and we are going to the mind of other traders, and we are trying to protect also our trading. While one can reduce, okay, the risk by not trading too much. All right. So this is going on. So the green one here, you see the green arrow here at 8:30. That's why we are paying attention. As a day trader, if you forget 8:30, if you trade Forex, you forget 8:30, all right? 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. This is the time when economy news are due. These are 8:30. You don't want to forget that. 8:30 Eastern time, 1:30 p.m. London time. Manufacturing sale, Canada. All right. So if you are trading USD card, be aware of it. The other data due, ECB Draghi. Okay, we'll talk today at 2 p.m. That's 7 p.m. London time. 2 p.m. Eastern time. That's 7 p.m. in London. So he will be talking. Central Bank. Okay. In Europe, we'll be speaking. In the United States, the beige book. Also, this new can change the dynamics of the market. Whether you are trading stock, commodity, the beige book. Here it is. And also, this is for today, okay? So we can click on more here to know what's for Thursday. Looking ahead, it's like we are driving, all right? To look ahead, okay? You don't just drive and look only 3 meters away from yourself. You want to look ahead, what's going on. So you can check all of these news to play what I call the mind game. Okay, traders, been talking now a bit too long, okay? It's now 90 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, because this trade is still running, live trading using Pitchfork tool. But you see, though we use Pitchfork tool to determine a hidden support resistance level, we are paying attention also to economy news and also to other traders. When we are talking about the mind game, we are thinking of other market participants and how they will react according to the market environment, the current market environment. As a day trader, we are making all these considerations, we are making decisions we will select the best, the suitable strategy that we can apply today. That will be, okay, profitable for us, okay, according to the current, okay, market environment. Okay? It makes sense? I think it makes sense. And it's also beautiful, okay? Alright, so 20 minutes I've been speaking now. Normally I will close the video after 20 minutes. But because it's a live day trading, I will pause it now. Maybe I'll allow this video to go to 30 minutes. Before I pause the video, the price now at my entry point, 135.57. I'm not going to come out. I'll stay put. So, I'm going to place a vertical line there before we come out. That vertical line, color it in beautiful turquoise. Okay, now we also show you the time before we pause the video. 12:55 in London, New York 7:55 on the 16th of October 2013, live day trading using Pitchfork tool. Pausing the video now, and I will continue with the discussion later on. Thank you. Okay, traders, we have paused the video right here on this turquoise vertical line. Our stop loss is at 135.79. Our entry point is the orange line here, right here at 135.57. As you can see, since we paused the video, all right, right here, the price went above, okay, our entry point, but did not come near our stop loss, okay, because our stop loss is the red line here. Okay, I want you to see the red line. Okay, but it went up a bit above our entry point and quickly come back down. It's now at 135.46. So it's working nicely for us now. But the time now in London, as you can see, it took a bit of time. The time in London is 22 minutes past 2 p.m. So in exactly 8 minutes time, New York will be open. All right, and right here, 9:22 in New York, all right, on the 16th of October 2013. So there's not much going on here because once we enter the trade, we must manage the trade, and everything is okay, working for us. Okay, we don't have to worry too much. All right, we keep eyes on the price because as a day trader, we are, okay, a manager. We must manage the trade. Sometimes some traders forget that. They enter the trade and they forget that they should manage the trade, okay? You want to manage it, and so that you can get something out of it, okay? So this is what has happened so far, and for live day trading, this is how it goes. You enter the trade and you let the market play it nicely for you. What I'm going to do now, okay, go back again to the hourly chart where we start everything. We were using the Pitchfork tool. As you can see, this hourly candle has closed, okay. Alright, this is an inverted hammer followed by a bearish candle on the hourly chart. Okay, the stochastic 833 is also overbought. It's alright, but we must keep eyes on economy news, as I explained to you at Forex Factory. And as if New York opens, we need to watch it because of portfolio adjustment. A new trader coming to the market, okay, they will adjust their portfolio, and that may, okay, change a little bit the market, and we will see. Hopefully, they will see exactly what we are seeing before, okay, they come into the markets. So, as a new market is open, because it's a bit risky now, because we have a trade that is open, it's still open. We don't want to close it. My apology for the telephone ringing now. We don't want to close the trade, but a new market is opening. All right, we need to manage the trade carefully. All right, do not forget the opening bell. It's a very important time. Traders must manage the trade carefully. I will pause the video again, ladies and gentlemen, and I will come back to it and show you what has happened. And so I'll move my vertical line to where we're going to pose it now. All right here. And the time in London now is 25 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York, 25 minutes past 9 a.m. So I'm going to pause the video game for the second time. And the third time we have been speaking, we had been talking now nearly 25 minutes or more. So I will wrap it when I come back again. So it's pointless to leave it on. What I will do instead, in the description area of this video, I will write down what has happened, okay, instead of leaving the video, okay, running for many hours. So pausing the video for a second time, I will come back to it and we will see what's happening. We were using only the setup is the price retesting, okay, the media line of a Pitchfork tool on the hourly chart. There were other considerations, but I don't want to discuss that in this video. We are focusing on Pitchfork tool, and we enter the trade aggressively on the 3-minute chart without waiting for the common sense trend line to be broken, because my concern was more on the risk control than anything else. Now the common sense trend line is broken, which is the blue line here. So we will see whether they will pay us quickly or not. Okay, waiting for New York to open. So pausing the video for the second time. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, time to wrap it up. I've closed this trade now. Okay, 20 pip. Okay, not bad. 20 pip profits, better than losses. This price went down to 13527. As you can see, still coming near that level here. Okay, you see on your chart. Okay, so it has been a successful trade. We were using only a Pitchfork tool, and the price hit it right here. I enter at 13557, place my stop loss at 13579. Price tried to go up a bit, but quickly come down. Now New York is open, and the euro is going down. For day trading purposes, we must continue to take profit consistently. All right, this is very important. As a day trader, we are managing the trade, but we want to take profit also consistently. So we do not use our trading capital to pay for losses, but we want to use profits, okay, to pay for the losing trade. I hope you have learned something from this video also about live day trading using the Pitchfork tool. The purpose of the video is not for a show, but to show traders the things that they need to pay attention to if they are day trading, so they can make an excellent decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW 24 traders. The setup, the signal, and the entry point. Speak to you soon.